What's up everyone? So today we're going to be unboxing this EVGA Nvidia GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. It comes with a great deal of specs and it is a GDDR6 graphics card, and the specs are great. So let's get into the unboxing and talk about the specs. So let's get into it. So here's the box. EVGA Nvidia GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, Nvidia Ampere Arc ray tracing DLSS. So let's look at the side. Same branding over here. EVGA XC, GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, and over the other side the same thing. And here we have the specs in English. So here it says second generation ray tracing cores, third generation tensor cores, PCIe Gen 4, Microsoft DirectX 12 Ultimate, GDDR6 graphics memory, Nvidia DLSS, Nvidia GeForce Experience, TM trademark, Nvidia G-Sync R registered trademark, and Nvidia GPU Boost, Nvidia Ready drivers, Vulkan RT API OpenGL 4.6, and this is important. DisplayPort 1.4a, so a lot of bandwidth over here. HDCP 2.3 VR ready, so definitely if you're into that. Supports 4K 120Hz HDR, 8K 60Hz HDR, and variable refresh rate as specific in HDMI 2.1 standard. So this is definitely a lot of bandwidth over HDMI interface as well. We'll look into that in a second. The ports LHR25mH/SDTH hash rate EST. So let's look over here. The same EVGA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. The GeForce RTX 3060 Ti is powered by the Nvidia Ampere architecture. It's built with enhanced RT cores and tensor cores, new streaming multiprocessor, and high-speed G6 memory. And what do we have over here? Built for Nvidia GeForce Precision X. So the next generation in precision overclocking. GeForce.com, Nvidia Ampere architecture. So if you want to read that, the whole thing, you definitely can. So let's get into the unboxing. Nothing here over the bottom. So let's open the seal. Opening up the seal, and okay, this splits up in half. Okay, so yeah, one thing you didn't, I wanted to show you. So this is basically, this one comes with 1 year local warranty and 3 years international warranty here in Pakistan if you buy from whatever dealers, depending upon the dealer. So the serial number and whatever else, and this is made in Taiwan. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Opening up the box. Let's see what do we have here. Pulling up this bubble wrap. As you can see, nothing else is in the box. So putting that to the side, or yeah. So okay, that peeled off easily. And removing this. Okay, another covering. There's a lot of stuff going on over here, and removing this. Now here we have the card, and removing this carefully. Okay, so let's have a look at the card itself. Here it is, the card. EVGA branding plastic. this is the card, and this is the plastic. Since we're just unboxing and not putting it in the system right now, so I'm not gonna peel this off. But whenever you're putting this into your computer, you definitely want to peel that off. And here's the power supply connector and the heatsink. So in case you're curious about that, the heatsink is really good over here. Definitely I cannot remove this thing, the fan, from here. And talking about the fan, this GPU comes with the dual fan setup. So this GPU also comes with the 3 fan setup with different branding, but not much of a difference. So yeah, and nothing else over here. And here it is, PCIe Gen 4 connector, or yeah, definitely you want to put that in the slot, PCIe Gen 4 slots to get the maximum bandwidth. And here, this is interesting. So we have HDMI 2.1 port and 3 display ports. So if you really want to use HDMI, you definitely can use HDMI from here. But I myself would prefer display ports, because why not? And you can definitely connect up to 4 devices over here, an HDMI monitor and 3 display port, and definitely take advantage of the horsepower of this GPU. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I'm gonna put that so it doesn't get dirty or something. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing of this GPU. Moving the fans is really nice and it's really good. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing. So I hope you like this video. If so, then like, share and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace.